something.
What? What happened?
You know how I booked our hotel for the podcast trip?
Yes.
I booked a room. One room. For 2 people.
Okay, that sounds fine.
For 1 night.
Jake.
But we needed 3 nights.
Jake.
And also, I think I booked it in the wrong city.
Welcome back to Speakoza. I need a moment. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakoza, the podcast where you learn real English, laugh a little, and level up every single day. I'm Maya.
And I'm Jake, the man who almost sent us to the wrong city.
Almost. Keyword, almost. It worked out. Eventually.
After 2 hours on the phone and a very patient receptionist.
And that is exactly what today's episode is about. Today, we are talking about hotel English. Everything you need, from booking your room, to checking in, to dealing with problems, to checking out.
Real situations, real phrases, real vocabulary, and one very real disaster. Mine.
Also, if you are joining us for the first time, welcome to Speakoza. Last week, Jake got lost at the airport. This week, he books the wrong hotel. There is a pattern here.
I prefer to call it a learning journey.
A learning journey. I love that. Okay, before we start, if you enjoy Speakoza, please subscribe right now and share this episode with someone who is learning English.
It costs nothing and helps us so much. Thank you. Now, let's check in.
Here is exactly what you will learn today.
Number 1, 15 essential hotel vocabulary words, all in context, all in the story.
Number 2, 3 full dialogue practice sections. Today, we go deeper on speaking. You will practice a real check-in conversation, a complaint conversation, and a checkout conversation.
Number 3, how to handle hotel problems in English, calmly, politely, even when you are very stressed.
Number 4, Jake's story, which involves a very confused receptionist and one very embarrassed podcast host.
I was not embarrassed.
You were very embarrassed.
Let's start the story.
After the airport adventure from last week, Jake and Maya arrive in London. They are tired. They are hungry. They need a hotel. Jake has the reservation details on his phone.
I have everything. I am organized this time. I have the confirmation email, I have the hotel name, I have the address.
The hotel is called the Grand Central Hotel. It looks beautiful online. Navy blue interior, gold accents, complimentary breakfast.
Complimentary. This means free. When a hotel says complimentary breakfast, it means breakfast is included in your room price. No extra cost. Say it. Complimentary.
They arrive at the hotel. Jake walks up to the reception desk with confidence.
Reception, also called the front desk. This is where you check in, ask questions, and get your room key when you arrive at a hotel. Say it. Reception.
The receptionist smiles at me. She says, "Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Central Hotel. Do you have a reservation?"
Reservation. This means you booked in advance. You planned ahead and saved a room. Say it. Reservation.
And I say, "Yes, my name is Jake. I have a reservation." She looks at her computer. She types my name. She looks up. She types again. She looks up again.
That is never a good sign.
She says, "Sir, I can see a reservation here, but it is for 1 night only, and it is for a single room."
Single room. A room for one person, usually with one small bed. Compare this to a double room, a room for 2 people with a larger bed, or a twin room, 2 separate beds for 2 people. Say them. Single room, double room, twin room.
I look at Maya. Maya looks at me.
I look at Jake's phone. I see the confirmation email. 1 night, single room.
In my defense, the website was very confusing.
The website was not confusing, Jake. Okay, everyone, let's pause the story here for our first dialogue practice. This is a real check-in conversation. I am the receptionist, Jake is the guest. Listen first, then we practice together.
This is the new Speakoza format, story plus dialogue practice. So you don't just hear English, you actually speak it.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Central Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. My name is Jake Miller.
Let me check that for you, Mr. Miller. Could I also see your passport or ID, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. I can see your reservation here. You have booked a double room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. And will you be paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
Perfect. I will need a deposit of £50. This will be returned when you check out.
Deposit. A small amount of money you pay at check-in. The hotel holds it for security. You get it back when you leave, when you check out. Say it. Deposit.
Here is your room key. You are in room 412 on the 4th floor. The lift is just to your right.
Room key. In modern hotels, this is usually a key card, not a real key. Lift. This is the British English word for elevator. In American English, we say elevator. Both are correct. Say them. Room key. Lift.
Breakfast is served in the restaurant on the ground floor from 7 to 10 a.m. Is there anything else you need?
No, thank you. That's everything.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Miller.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. Now your turn. I will be the receptionist again. You are the guest. Listen to my question, then say your answer out loud. Ready?
Everyone, say it out loud. Not in your head, out loud. This is how you build confidence.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Could I see your passport, please? Will you be paying by card or cash? Here is your room key. The lift is to your right. Enjoy your stay.
What do you say? Thank you very much. Perfect. You just checked into a hotel in English.
Level up every day.
Back to the story. Jake and Maya fix the reservation problem. The receptionist is very helpful. She upgrades them to a twin room for 3 nights.
Upgrade. When the hotel gives you a better room than you booked. Sometimes this happens when they make a mistake, or when you ask nicely, or just because you were lucky. Say it. Upgrade. We go up in the lift to the 4th floor. We find room 412. I use the key card. The door opens. We walk in. And the room is beautiful.
It really was. Navy blue walls, gold lamps, 2 comfortable beds.
I put my suitcase down. I sit on the bed. I am so tired. I just want to sleep.
And then Jake picks up his pillow.
Pillow. The soft thing you put under your head when you sleep. Say it. Pillow. I pick up my pillow and something falls out. A sock. A used sock. That is not mine.
Oh no!
I look under the bed. I see more things that are not mine. I think this room has not been cleaned.
Housekeeping. The hotel department responsible for cleaning rooms. If your room is not clean, you call reception and ask for housekeeping. Say it. Housekeeping.
I call reception. I say, "Excuse me, I am in room 412. I think there is a problem with my room. It does not appear to have been cleaned." The receptionist apologizes immediately. She says they will move us to room 415.
And room 415 was perfect. Clean, fresh, beautiful. New pillows.
New pillows. No mystery socks. 10 out of 10.
Level up every day.
Okay, second dialogue practice. This is one of the most useful things we teach today. How to make a complaint at a hotel, politely and clearly in English.
Politely is the key word. Even when something is wrong, stay calm. Be polite. Use please and thank you. It always works better.
Listen to the model first, then practice with me.
Hello, good evening. I am calling from room 412. I am afraid there is a problem with my room.
I'm so sorry to hear that, sir. What seems to be the problem?
The room does not appear to have been cleaned. There are items left from a previous guest.
I sincerely apologize for that, Mr. Miller. That is not acceptable. Would you like us to send housekeeping immediately, or would you prefer we move you to a different room?
I think a different room would be best, please.
Of course, I will arrange that right away. Could you come down to reception and we will give you a new key card?
Certainly. Thank you very much.
I am so sorry for the inconvenience. We will make sure your new room is perfect. Now your turn. You are calling reception. Repeat after Jake. Say each phrase out loud.
Hello. Good evening. I am calling from room 412. I am afraid there is a problem with my room. The room does not appear to have been cleaned. I think a different room would be best, please. Thank you very much.
Notice the phrases we use. I am afraid there is a problem. It does not appear to have been cleaned. These are polite and professional. They work in any hotel in the world.
Level up every day.
Let's do a full vocabulary review. Jake reads the word, I give the meaning, you repeat.
Reception.
The front desk, where you check in and get help. Say it. Reception.
Reservation.
Your advance booking. You reserved the room before arriving. Say it. Reservation.
Single room.
A room for one person. Say it. Single room.
Double room.
A room for two people with one large bed. Say it. Double room.
Twin room.
A room with two separate beds. Say it. Twin room.
Deposit.
Money held by the hotel. Returned when you check out. Say it. Deposit.
Room key.
Usually a key card opens your hotel room door. Say it. Room key.
Lift.
British English for elevator. Say it. Lift.
Complimentary.
Free. Included in your booking price. Say it. Complimentary.
Housekeeping.
The team that cleans hotel rooms. Say it. Housekeeping.
Pillow.
The soft item under your head when you sleep. Say it. Pillow.
Upgrade.
A better room than the one you booked. Say it. Upgrade.
Check in.
The process of arriving at a hotel and getting your room. Say it. Check in.
Check out.
The process of leaving, returning your key and paying your bill. Say it. Check out.
Invoice.
The final bill, showing everything you paid for during your stay. Say it. Invoice. 15 hotel words. All yours now.
Level up every day.
One last dialogue. Checking out. This is short, simple, and very useful. Listen first.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please. Room 415. The name is Miller.
Good morning, Mr. Miller. I hope you enjoyed your stay. Let me pull up your invoice.
Invoice.
Remember this word. Your final bill, it shows all the charges from your stay. Say it. Invoice.
You have 3 nights in a twin room plus 2 breakfasts. The total comes to £340. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Of course. And your deposit of £50 will be returned to your card within 3 to 5 business days.
Perfect. Thank you. Could I ask, is there a luggage storage area? Our flight is not until this evening.
Of course. We have a luggage room just off the lobby. We can store your bags until you are ready to leave.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure having you. Have a wonderful journey home.
Your turn. Say these checkout phrases out loud.
Good morning. I would like to check out, please. Room 415. The name is Miller. By card, please. Could I ask, is there a luggage storage area? Thank you so much.
Beautiful. You just completed a full hotel stay in English. Check-in, problem, complaint, checkout, all of it.
Speakoza! La 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 ba 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 da. Yeah 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 yeah. Level up ba 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 da. Yeah 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 yeah.
Before we go, I want to say something.
Go ahead, Jake.
Today's episode had 3 practice sections, more than last week. And if you did all 3, if you actually said the phrases out loud, then you were already doing something most people never do.
Most people listen to English. They understand it, but they never say it. They never open their mouth and try.
And the funny thing is, the moment you say it out loud, even alone in your room, even badly, even with mistakes, your brain starts to remember it.
That is how language works. Input plus output. Listening plus speaking. That is the Speakoza formula.
So tonight, before you sleep, say this one sentence out loud. Good evening. I have a reservation. My name is your name.
Say it. Right now. Tonight. And tomorrow it will feel easier. And the day after, easier still.
We are proud of you. Seriously.
Speakoza!
That is episode 2 of Speakoza, Hotel English, from booking disaster to perfect checkout.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speakoza so you never miss an episode.
And share this with one person today. One person learning English. Send it right now. It takes 5 seconds.
And our comment question? Have you ever had a hotel problem? A dirty room, a wrong booking, a missing reservation? Tell us your story below. In English, any length.
We read every single comment. Every one.
Next week on Speakoza, Maya and Jake go to a restaurant. The waiter gets the order completely wrong. Twice.
It was not funny at the time.
It was a little funny.
It was not... Okay, it was slightly funny. Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.